You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this beautiful name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Sweden, Swedish, make sure to stay tuned. I got tons more for you at the end of the video. It means she wolf. It's a female wolf, essentially. That's what it means. Ylva is, could consider it a Viking name. Ylva. Ylva. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.